topic, that is classification of kingdom animalia. Which are the criteria used for classification of animals? First criteria, that is the grades of organization. Grades of organization means body either unicellular or multicellular, or cellular level of organization or tissue level of organization in the body is the first criteria. That means what? Some animals or organisms are single celled, for example amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are the single celled organisms. Some organisms are multicellular, that means many cells are present inside the body. Some invertebrates like Porifera, phylum Porifera, Echinodermata, these organisms are multicellular, and in the vertebrates, class Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and mammals, these are multicellular organisms. What is the level of organization? Cellular level of organization, that means all the body activities takes place inside the single cell, while in tissue level of organization, other animals like human being, many similar cells coming together forming a tissue. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the body. Many cells coming together forming a tissue, many tissues coming together forming a organ, many organs coming together forming a organ system, and organ system, for example digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system. These are the systems in our body, and that organ system coming together forming a body. That is the level of organization. Single smallest unit of our body is the cell. Structural and functional unit is the cell. Many cells coming together forming a tissue. Many tissues coming together forming a organ. Many organs coming together forming a system. And many systems coming together forming a body. Therefore, this is the cellular tissue level of organization. In some animals, only tissues are there, not well developed organs are there. And like a human being is well developed and well advanced animal, it consists organ level and system level of organization. But some animals consist only cellular level of organization, some animal consist only tissue level of organization, and some animal shows the system level of organization like a human being. Then body symmetry is the second criteria. What is meant by body symmetry? Body symmetry, some organisms are asymmetrical, for example amoeba. Right and left side are asymmetrical. And some organisms are bilateral symmetrical. For example, frog. Frog is the bilateral symmetrical animal because right and left sides are similar. Human being also bilateral symmetrical. Next criteria, that is the body cavity. Some organism consist a cavity, that is the body cavity called as coelom, and that organisms are called as, animals are called as coelomate, and some animals are acoelomate. That means body cavity absent. Next, some animals shows germ layers in that body, that is the some animals are diploblastic, 2 layers are there. Some animals are triploblastic, 3 layers are there. Next criteria, that is segmentation. Some animals show segmented body and some animals are non-segmented. Segmented body, for example leech, earthworm, these are the segments on the body. But some animals are non-segmented, higher animals are non-segmented. These are some criteria. First criteria, grades of organization. Second criteria, body symmetry. Third criteria, body cavity. Fourth criteria, germ layers. And fifth criteria, segmentation. These are the criteria of classification of animals. How many criteria are there? 5. First criteria, grades of organization. Second criteria, body symmetry. Third criteria, body cavity. Fourth criteria, germ layer. And fifth criteria, segmentation. These are the criteria of classification of animals. Okay.